Before singing the song, I want to take permission from our earlier mothers and singers, especially Sri Ragam and Tanusri, who have sung this song in so melodious tune. Thank you very much for giving the permission for for singing this song. Second, live telecast is going on at this time. Still, the hearing and hearing is strictly prohibited. Unmature persons are only strictly prohibited because this song is ornamental song, so you should avoid from this song. Undesirable and underage persons are only strictly prohibited. Only matured personalities have the authority for looking, hearing, and taking interest in this ornamental song. All the respected persons who are Indian classical lovers, high-minded personalities, and generous personalities are most welcome in this musical program. नाम तंगल द्रोणागमन वृंदावन भावन कार्यक्रम मलयालम पाडू किल्लकू तांगल ननरी नंदी పదం చేదువరం ప్రేమామృతం పేయున్నిదా నవమేధులే కొలకొండవా తారాపణం చేదువరం ప్రేమామృతం పేయున్నిదా నవమేధులే కొలకొండవా తెరుల్వరిన్ నయనదు చంబనా ಸುಖದ ಮೀನಾಲಿ ಲಲ ಸುಖದ ಮೀನಾಲಿ ಲಲ ಪ್ರಣಯ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಲ ಲಲ ಪ್ರಣಯ ಮೋರಾದಲೋದಮಾ ಸುಖದ ಮೀನಾಲಿ ಲಲ ಪ್ರಣಯ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಲ ಲಲ ಪ್ರಣಯ ಮೋರಾದಲೋದಮಾ ಪ್ರಣದೀಪಗೋಶೋಧೈಲ್ ಮಣಿಲಾಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲ స్పందన తారాపదం చేదువరం ప్రేమామృతం తీయున్నిదా నా మేఘమే కాలర్ కొండవా పేదల్ పుగరిన్ వేదు చంబల్ నింగల్వా నా 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 నేను నరన్ ప్రేమామృతం పేయున్నిదా സഫല മീനേര ലല്ലല്ലല്ല ഹൃദയ വീണകളെ ലല്ലല്ലല്ല ഒണരമോ പ്രേമ കാവ്യമാ സഫല മീനേര ലല്ലല്ലല്ല ഹൃദയ വീണകളെ ലല്ലല്ലല്ല ഒണരമോ പ്രേമ കാവ്യമാ പെണ്ണലാകി നിന്ന മിഞ്ചു വാനു കേട്ടുയാ താരാപദം ചേരുവരം പ്രേമാമൃതം പേയുന്നിത നവമേദനേ കൊണ്ടവാ പെരുകൂരിൻ വിനു ചുംബനു I hope all of you would like this ornamental Indian classical musical program. Thank you very much for hearing, looking and taking interest in this video. Many thanks for your highness. I know there may be many mistakes in my wordings and tunings, but all of you are high gentry and high-minded generous personalities, so you would excuse me for my mistakes and errors. Thank you very much for your kindness. Thank you very much again and again in advance.